Have you ever stood up in the morning and felt like your body had aged overnight? That your knees, shoulders, or back were suddenly made of rusted metal instead of flesh and bone? If that sounds like you, you're not alone. Millions of people wake up every day in pain, stiff, sore, and frustrated. And maybe you've tried it all, stretching, massages, pills with names you can't pronounce, but nothing sticks. Why? Because most joint supplements are outdated, stuffed with cheap fillers, and never touch the root of the issue. But what if I told you there's a science-backed natural solution that doesn't just mask pain, but helps your body heal from the inside out? This isn't just another supplement with a shiny label and big promises. This is JointVive, and it's changing everything we thought we knew about joint health. Unlike traditional pills, JointVive uses advanced liquid capsules for near-instant absorption, delivering powerful natural compounds straight into your bloodstream. This means faster relief, deeper healing, and no more wasted time. Each capsule contains a curated mix of 9 plant-based ingredients, including lion's mane for nerve regeneration, pinus pinaster for antioxidant support, and tamarind seed extract to act as nature's joint lubricant. In other words, this formula doesn't cover the problem. It goes straight to war with it. Now let's talk about results. Imagine walking upstairs without wincing, playing catch with your grandkids again, or waking up and feeling normal. That's what thousands of real users across the country are experiencing with JointVive. One man said it best. After 30 years of joint pain, I finally feel like I got my life back. These aren't actors. These are everyday people who found a real solution to a very real problem. Why? Because this formula works at the source. It reduces inflammation, repairs nerve endings, and restores mobility, giving you back the life that pain tried to steal. Here's what makes it all possible. JointVive's ingredients were selected not in a marketing room, but by actual scientists. Take Bacopa monnieri, used for centuries in herbal medicine, now clinically shown to reduce oxidative stress in connective tissues, or ginkgo biloba, which increases blood flow, delivering essential nutrients directly to your aching joints. Then there's spirulina and chlorella, superfoods that detox your body while fueling repair. This isn't some Frankenstein blend of synthetic junk. This is clean, plant-based science at its best, crafted to treat your body as a whole system, not a broken machine. Still skeptical? Good. That means you care about what you put in your body. And that's exactly why JointVive is third-party tested, GMP certified, and made in FDA-registered facilities right here in the US. No mystery blends, no weird chemicals, just pure ingredients tested for purity and potency. And if it doesn't work for you, you're covered by a 100% money-back guarantee. That's how confident they are in the results. So there's zero risk, just the chance to finally live without constant pain dragging you down. Let's be honest, chronic joint pain isn't just physical. It steals your joy. It limits your freedom. It changes how you move, how you sleep, even how you connect with others. But that cycle doesn't have to continue. With just 1 capsule a day, your body can start to fight back, to heal, to feel like you again. Don't wait until the pain gets worse. Click the link in the description, grab your supply of JointVive, and start reclaiming your life today. Your body is ready. You just have to give it the support it's been begging for. JointVive, relief that starts from within.